SolidWorks Enterprise PDM helps you get your design data under control so that you can substantially improve the way your teams manage and collaborate on design. To gain the advertised benefits of product data management, the tool must not get in the way of the day-to-day design process. In a nutshell, it must be easy and fun to use. Let's take a look at SolidWorks Enterprise Product Data Management, or EPDM. Everyone using a Windows system will recognize this. It's Windows Explorer. Accessing this secure vault is as easy as browsing to a folder and logging in. In the middle is a familiar file view with additional information such as description and who has control of the file. The toolbar at the top gives access to commonly used commands like check in and out or copy and paste. The lower pane contains information about the selected file. Here you can view and print more than 200 file types, including major CAD formats, Microsoft Office documents, PDF files, images, and more. The data card provides easy access to a wealth of information about the file. Version and workflow state information of the file is available, as well as computed bills of materials. The Contains and Where Used tabs provide information about how files are associated with each other. So as you can see, SolidWorks Enterprise PDM is so integrated inside of Windows Explorer that you will hardly know you are using it. But it doesn't stop here. In fact, EPDM is so integrated with Windows that it is a part of every open and save dialog, including SolidWorks. This makes it easy to find, share, and reuse data, and you can be sure that protected files are secure and are not accidentally overwritten. With the integrated search, you can find data in multiple ways, such as using parameters like file name or custom properties like part number or description. Or you can even search on current workflow state. Once found, files are ready to be used in your design. The SolidWorks Enterprise PDM task pane allows you to quickly view a hierarchical display of the current file, version, description, as well as its status. With this deep integration, SolidWorks Enterprise PDM gives you secure access and control of all data associated with your design, so you can substantially improve the way your teams manage and collaborate on design. SolidWorks applications provide great capabilities you can use right away for design, simulation, communication, and file management to work faster and make your products better. Explore all the features in the demo library or contact your nearest SolidWorks reseller.